Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you.
Paragraph writing topic Teachers' Day.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. So our today's topic is on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is believed to be one of the most popular festivals among all students in the country, particularly among youngsters. Teachers' Day is observed as a celebration to honor teachers for all of their efforts and sacrifices made to better the lives and future of their students. But teachers, as we all know, plays a vital and significant part in our lives. They assist us in improving our knowledge, skill level, and confidence as well as shaping us into the best possible form for success. As a result, we too bear certain duties to our devoted teachers. As a dutiful students, we must all extend a warm welcome and express our heartfelt gratitude for their selfless contribution of teaching throughout their lives and in influencing the lives of diverse students. Teachers' Day, observed once a year on September 5th, is a wonderful opportunity for us to dedicate a day to them and express our gratitude. The celebration of Teachers' Day accommodates the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a particular and practical and motivating instructor who was admired by all of the country's students. In honor of his accomplishments as a teacher, we celebrate Teachers' Day by reminding ourselves to respect our teachers and treat them with respect they deserve. Our teachers have taught us a lot as a class. Their lessons guide us through each stage of life. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting my channel. They are the people we value the most in our lives, which is why we dedicate Teachers' Day to them. It's a day to honor the most uplifting relationship between teachers and the student. Teachers should be respected and valued by all students. Their difficult efforts and sacrifices for our mental growth are unfathomable. A teacher on sometimes has a more important role than our parents. They mold our destiny and train our minds to distinguish between good and evil. A teacher also contributes to the development of country by shaping the destiny of every individual who lives there. Teachers not only teach us but they also enhance our character, ability level and confidence. They consider and respect each individuals, which is why we should remember and appreciate them on Teachers' Day every year. Teachers' Day, which is observed on September 5th in India, is an important date on the calendar. This is the day on which we pay thanks to our teachers' efforts and hard work. Teaching is one of the most difficult occupations on the globe, since teachers are responsible for the education of the country's youth. A teacher is responsible for teaching, controlling, and motivating a class full of students. Because no two students are same and have the same capacity, this is a totally capable exercise. A good teacher maintains his students' excitement and recognizes their ability to strive towards the goal. He tells them to hone their skills in their topic or line of work while also ensuring that their other activities or subjects are not harmed. Despite the fact that we work together with our teachers on a regular basis or all the time, we only have a rudimentary understanding of their trade throughout their life and our lives. Only until they are far away from us do we realize how important they are. This day serves as a reminder to express our gratitude towards them. In any other case, we may express our gratitude for what they have meant to us and for their presence in our lives. Teachers' Day is a day that teachers and children alike eagerly anticipates throughout the year. Teachers' Day is a day of pleasure, passion, and adoration, which is why people from all over the world celebrate it to show their appreciation for their teachers. On Teachers' Day, many schools and colleges host the most spectacular event. Even though the school remains open, the students are given a break from their normal academics and are allowed to enjoy the day in their own way. A few students dress up as their teachers and go to their lower classroom to keep their students in those courses under control. They do so in order to prepare their children for forthcoming examinations and in the manner of a typical teacher. Students also decorate their school and classes as well as prepare a cake and refreshments for their teacher. On Teachers' Day, their teachers cut the cake and give a speech. Singing, dancing, and other enjoyable activities are also part of the day's celebration, which students participate in to engage their professors. The children often give a speech to express their gratitude to the teacher. Teachers' Day helps to build a relationship between a teacher and a student. Teachers' Day is a yearly event on September 5th. This is a day to honor our teachers for their contribution to society. Teachers have a wealth of knowledge, empathy, and generosity to share with their students. Our teachers play a significant role in our achievement. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You might be thinking, when was the first time a Teachers' Day was observed? Radhakrishan's Day was established in 1962 as the first Teachers' Day. The kids commemorated this Teachers' Day to honor Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, India's second president. When is the International Teachers' Day observed? The World's Teachers' Day, also known as International Teachers' Day, is observed on October 5th. Who do you consider to be an excellent teacher? A great teacher is someone who not only teaches their students gracefully but also guides them in other areas of knowledge so that they can lead them along a wonderful road of success. An excellent teacher provides supports and direction to every successful individual. How is Teacher Appreciation Day observed in school? Students celebrate Teachers' Day in their individual schools around the country, organizing various festivities for their instructor as a way to show their appreciation for their hard work. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Please keep supporting my channel. Thank you so much.